white one here, trying to get in now, is making the queue bigger. Back down at the last junction.
Yeah.
It is, isn't it?
I'm just going to try and get in now, aren't you, as soon as
do you think that they feel as though that they shouldn't push to the front? Is that a part of it?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Remember when I was saying about it
Correct.
being cheeky?
Correct. It's not being cheeky.
No.
All right. So we're going to go.
I was going to say, do we stay or go round?
I don't think there's room to go past unless you know that there's no one. But the traffic's starting to move now, isn't it?
Yeah.
So handbrake on. Good. Get your feet swapped, and then we're all ready. Good. Now it's important that you keep up with the flow of the traffic. So keep up with the flow.
Okay.
Well done. Come on, keep up with the flow. Just keep driving. Just keep driving. Into second. You don't have to get out instantly.
Yeah.
Just keep up with the flow. Be careful of people crossing. So just keep up with the flow. Come on, keep up with the flow. There's one turning there, so you're fine. Just keep up with the flow. Just be careful and ready to slow. Don't steer, Ellie. Now off we go. Now check. Now move away. But you weren't ready to slow, were you?
No.
What were you doing?
Put my foot down and kept going, didn't I?
And what did you do with the steering?
Steered away.
Steered away?
To the left when the first car pulled out, didn't I?
Onto it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now that's a natural reaction.
But
I did preempt you with it as well, didn't I? What did I say?
Don't steer away.
Be ready to.
I'm ready to slow.
Ready to slow. Ready to slow. Yeah. You tend not to. You tend to carry on and just steer around stuff. What gear now to move away?
First.
Does that make sense on what was happening there?
Yeah.
Don't react with your hands. React with your feet.
Okay.